Problem number 16, we're going to evaluate this integral. Now look what we have here. It looks like it's a little complicated, but then again, if we make the right u substitution, it just might pop out. We've got an exponential, and the suggested substitution is the exponent. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to let u equal that exponent, 6x squared plus 1. I'm going to circle it because I know I'll need it later, and I also know I'm going to need the derivative. So if we take du dx, we are going to get, what do we get here? 12x. And if you multiply by the dx, we'll get the du is 12x dx. Now, here's where we are so far. If I just make my substitutions, I'm right here. I've got the 4x, and then I've got e to the u, and then I've got the dx. So I've got the part of it in u. I need to get this, right? That's what I want. I need to get this part right here in terms of u. That's what I want. Okay, well, let's go back and see what we have. So what we have is this up here. This is what we have, and this is what we want. Okay, well, so what do we have here? What do we need to do? Well, we have 12x dx. What we want is 4 dx. Now, 4 is a third of the 12. So what if we just divided both sides of this by 3? So divide by 3. That's going to be my plan here. I'm going to divide by 3. So I'll write it this way, though. 1/3 du is equal to 1/3 of 12x dx. So that gives me that 1/3 du is 4x dx, and there we've got it. There's the 4x dx. That's what I'm looking for. So now when we substitute, we'll have e to the u times, now the 4x dx is 1/3 du. So let's integrate. We'll take the 1/3 out. The integral of e to the u is e to the u plus c. And now substitute for that u. So we'll go back. There it is way up here. So we are going to get 1/3 e to the u, but u was 6x squared plus 1, and then plus c. Number 17, look what we've got. We've got a definite integral, so no more plus c's. Let's just integrate, and then we'll substitute our limits of integration in. So let's integrate. We're going to get 3x cubed over 3 minus 6x squared over 2 minus 1x, or just x, and we're going to go from 0 to 2. All right, now the 3's will cancel, so we'll get x cubed. 6 divided by 2 is 3x squared minus x from 0 to 2. Let's put in the upper limit, so we'll get 2 cubed minus 3 times 2 squared minus 2 minus, put in the lower limit, so we'll get 0 cubed minus 3 times 0 squared minus 0. Now this happens a lot, right? When you have all x's in here and the lower limit is 0, all that's going to go out, right? That just goes to 0. So let's see what we have. We'll have 8 minus 2 squared is 4 times 3 is 12 minus 2. So 8 minus 12 is negative 4 minus 2 is negative 6.